What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. In today's video we have a Mazda 6 here. This is a 2009 model. We had a customer who jump started this car because the battery was completely shot. They put negative, positive the other way around. So they put negative here, positive there, and what they did was damage something. But this customer got very lucky. But in your case, do not do this. Do not do this, okay? Do not put positive and negative backward, because you can destroy the computer. You could cause yourself a serious damage. But this is where your fuse box is on the Mazda 6. And she got lucky. See this fuse right here? This is a main battery fuse. She blew that fuse. So we're gonna replace that fuse. And all we're gonna do is we're gonna loosen up the two number 8s on it. I'm gonna give you a part number. Just take off the number 8 here. So put it right there. Do not lose it. Take off the second number 8. Put it right there. This thing is not going to be so easy to take out, so I'm going to have to go get a pick, something that's going to pull it off of me. Alright, so let's use our pick here to bring out this fuse. It's not gonna, like I said, it's not gonna be so easy to get this guy out of there, especially with one hand like I'm doing. Who knows? I might get lucky. There you go. All right. And this is the fuse that blew, okay? And the customer got really lucky. And I'm gonna put this away. And here's a new one. All right, there's a part number here, AMI 125. And I'm gonna read you the serial number there: 051712486194. Okay. And there's another number on it, 63178. And that's all the numbers on this bag. Alright, now what we're going to do is we're going to take this little guy. I like to have this facing up so you can see. Alright, so let's put this up. You can really see if it's blown or not, if something happens. But try not to. If you go crazy and you do that, you might blow the engine module, ECM. And once you blow that, it's going to be a good $2,000 bill, or probably more. In that range. So all we're gonna do is we're gonna tighten this. This is nice and tight. Now the car should start, but let's put the cover on. We don't want any more problems. And let's go inside. Hopefully the key's in here. Okay. There you go. Guys, thank you for watching. And please do not put that battery positive or negative backward, okay? Anyways, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like, share, and send me a message if you need help.